If you're experiencing login issues on Battle.net, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working. Try accessing other websites or services to confirm that your network is functioning properly. Step 2. Verify account credentials. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Update Battle.net client. Ensure that your Battle.net client is up to date. Open the client and check for any available updates. Installing the latest version can resolve many login issues. Step 4. Disable VPN or proxying. If you are using a VPN or proxy, disable it temporarily. Sometimes these services can interfere with your connection to Battle.net, causing logging problems. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Battle.net support for assistance. Provide them with details about your issue and they can help you troubleshoot further. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues on Battle.net. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.